Hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome to our second videos uh, concerning PV system operation and maintenance. During our previous videos, we discussed the introduction of the PV system. Also, we explained the requirement for an administration of operation. Today videos, we will try to capture the additional requirement under operation, and all this requirement is according to the National Laboratory of the United States Department of Energy. Now, why operation and maintenance is important? The importance of operation and maintenance ensures your systems, number one, live longer, operate in a safe manner, increase the return on investment. Let's start our conducting operations. What are the main elements that you should look for and focus on during this operation? Number one, you need to make sure you have efficient, safe, and reliable operation. The efficient, safe, and reliable operation will be addressed by the designer and installer to make sure the system is operated as desired within the design parameters. You should also focus on decision about maintenance actions based on cost benefit analysis. During the operation, you should always take this into considerations. The coordinating between other regarding system operations. For example, you're operating a photovoltaic system in conjunction with diesel generator. Are you running an operation in conjunction with heavy machinery? So you always have to coordinate with others that impact on your PV system or the operation of your PV system to ensure always a safe and reliable. It's always maintained. Also, you need to monitor the power and energy forecast. Why do you need to monitor the power and energy forecast? The PV system, the input of the PV system, as we discussed in the previous videos, it's governed by the input solar radiation from the sun. So we cannot predict the input, or you can predict it, but you cannot be 100% accurate. There is some sort of percentage of predictions, but you need to always monitor the power and energy forecast. Why? If your power or energy forecast is going to increase above what can be produced due to solar radiations, you should reduce the load to make sure the reliable operation it's always maintained, and you do not exceed the system capability. You should always ensure scheduled maintenance is completed on time. This is under your operation. It's your obligations under operations to ensure a maintenance is completed on time. And this maintenance schedule must be prepared during the design and installations and must be part of the handover documentation to the client. You must ensure all listing spare part inventory is maintained on site, because sometimes you might have an urgent repair to be completed. Otherwise, your operation will not be reliable if you have to wait for weeks and months to get some spare parts. You must complete all day-to-day operation where applicable. So there is a sequence of operation. You must follow it whenever the designers or the installers manual indicates. All this captures under conducting an operations.